For this demonstration, I have chosen a 7-sided shade sail. It loads with the default values from an actual sail, and the user has to fill in their own values. Now I will just manipulate it by changing BE from 7,620 to 9,000. I have arrowed the change, and also where you can see how the shape changed in the plan view. Now you see the sail with the heights the same, so it looks flat, but you can see how the shape changed as it did in the smaller plan view. Now I use the Hyper Wizard, which automatically calculates the correct heights to give the sail that classic twisted look. Here you can see the sail with a hyper twist applied to it. Next I will add color. I make my choice of shadecloth color, then I click to add a picture for the shade sail location. We have entered the augmented reality phase of the platform, where the 3D shade sail becomes one with the picture. Although floating in the air, I can easily fix that. In this view, I have manipulated the shade sail to scale and placed it where I want it, and can use the sun and shadow simulator. There is another video devoted to that unique feature. Every input to the system that could change a dimension means it is always updating its calculations. Here it is showing the cutting panels and shade cloth requirements based on the input so far. Next thing is to download the customer proposal, which also provides the details needed for construction with the heights to place the mounting points. The dimensions are the distance between mountings. The mounting height is the distance above the lowest mounting point. The actual height above the ground is determined by the customer or their installer. When the installation is complete, measurements between points are recorded to be entered into the system. At this point, no entries are made that would change the heights, since they were determined at the design phase. When the dimensions have been entered, downloads 2 and 3 can be clicked to obtain an overall design CAD and a CAD for cutting templates. These are DXF files to be read by cutting and marking software. Job done! I have just designed a professional-grade project without the overhead of an AutoCAD or Rhino license. There was no need for a dedicated CAD specialist or hours of manual patterning. Our cloud-based platform handled all the complex geometry, high-end production made simple.